This conference will now be recorded.
So good evening all. So we had to start with the formulas, girls. Before starting the formulas, I'll give you some important shortcut keys, Excel related shortcut keys. You should note down that. Girls, some few shortcut keys are there. My important shortcut keys related in the related to Excel. Copy down this. Girls, is it finished? Shall I scroll? Last but second one, that is not Control L, that is Control I, italic. Control I. Finished, girls? Done.
Yes, ma'am. I'm done.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Girls, still you're writing?
No, ma'am.
This is the last page, girls.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Hmm. We had to start with formulas today, very important topic. You want this file, girls? Will you do this one while explaining? I want to share this
Yes,
file with you.
ma'am.
This one
Yes,
file.
ma'am.
Okay. ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ತಗೋ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಗಿಂದ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ಚಾರ್ಜರು. Yes, girls, I have sent you. All of you open in your laptop. Have you opened, girls? The first function is what? Normal rounding. In yesterday's class, I taught you what is that product function, which helps for multiplication, sum function which helps for addition. For the subtraction and then division, there is no formula for that. So then how to do the subtraction division in the Excel, I'll show you that also. See here, I'll show you that. The basics things I'll finish and then I'll go for that one. Okay. See here, the values are there. These values are, it is in same column. For the addition, so don't want to type the formula equals sum, those things you don't want to do anything here. So instead of doing that, so very simple, girls, because the values are, it is in same column, just you should press alt equals. Alt equals is the shortcut key for the addition. For the sum function, what is the shortcut key for sum function? Alt equals. Just enter, girls, you will get answer 325. Okay, the same thing you should do it for this also. These values are, it is in same row, girls. So how we are going to do the calculation? Instead of typing, see, don't want to type like this, just place the cursor on the cell. So just you press alt equals, then enter. See, aram say easily you can do. So 217 is the total marks. And then if the values are, it is in different cell, is it possible to use alt equals, girls? Long back only I taught this. 85, 56, 52, 20, 40, these values are, it is in different cell. Then how we are going to
No,
calculate,
ma'am.
girl? No, we can't use alt equals, girls, because the values are, it is in different cell. So what I had to do means equals, we had to type manually, we had to do equals sum. See, instead of typing this formula, press the tab key on the left side from the keyboard. Press the okay tab key. Select each and every value. Select the 85, comma. Select the next value, comma. Select the next one. Select, comma. Select. Enough. That's all. Okay. Press enter, girls. 253 is the results. So if the values are, it is in same column, then it will be easy to do the calculation. If the values are, it is in different cells, then it will be difficult. We had to do manually, means we had to type. Okay, so now 5 and 2, these values I want to multiply. So equals product is a function which helps for the multiplication. So you use the arrow keys for selecting like this. Press the tab key. You have to select from where to where. You have to select from 5 to 2. 5 to 2 select. For this product function, there is no shortcut key, nothing. Okay, no formula for this. Sorry, no shortcut key for this. There is no shortcut key. Okay, So press enter, girls. What is the result you got? 100. Okay, so delete of this. See, without using the formula also, we can do the calculation. How? See here, equals is must and should be to do the any calculation. Just you select 5. There is a into symbol in the keyboard. You have to use that. Select the 10 value into, select this value like this. 5 into 10 into 2. The answer is what? Same answer, only 100. With using formula, without using formula also, we can do the calculation. Okay. And then girls, next one, 100 divided by 5. So 100 divided by 5, how much? So how to do the division, girls? For this division, there is no formula, nothing in the Excel. Then how to do this one? Equals, select the value 10. Divided symbol is there in the keyboard. You press that, slash is there, no, that one. And then select value. Equals 10 divided by 5. Then answer is how much? 2. 2 is the answer. This is what the division you have to do. For the subtraction, see, for example, I want to do the subtraction for the same value only. Equals, for this one, for this also, there is no formula, nothing. So what I have to do? Select this 10. Minus symbol is there in the keyboard. You press that and then select this. 10 minus 5 is how much? 5. Okay. Division, subtraction, no formula, nothing. For addition, sum function. For multiplication, product function. So remember
Ma'am,
these
can you
three.
show subtraction again?
Okay. Equals. You need to give, you need to select the 10 value minus 5. 10 minus 5. That's it. Press
Okay,
enter
ma'am.
for
Got it.
the answer. That's it. These are basics. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division are basics formulas, calculations. Okay. Come to the formula sheets I have sent, that one. Girls, let us discuss with a normal rounding, how to do the normal rounding. I'll explain now. See here, girls, 10.25, 25 is there. Okay. So then it will be going to round off to the 11 or 10, this value, the first value.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
10.
10, yes, good. If it is more than 5, then value will be going to
Ma'am,
add
I
up.
had a question. Ma'am, you had sent this sheet in the group also, no? So do we have to submit this on 16th also?
This one,
Yeah, the sheet that you sent in the group, the formula sheet.
no, just for your practice purpose.
Oh, so only that one sheet that you had sent earlier, we have to email you by 16th.
Yeah, not the formulas.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you
For
so much.
practice, this is for practice purpose I gave. Okay.
Ma'am, assignment only we have one, no?
Hmm. Only the
Okay.
assignment, pivot table. Pivot table
Oh,
assignment, conditional formatting, and then what I told, girls.
Ma'am, bar chart.
number format.
That one, everything will cover in the pivot table file only.
Yes, ma'am.
People
In
graph,
that
I
file
think.
itself, everything
People
is
graph,
there.
I told. That
Number
day.
Yes,
formatting.
ma'am.
Yeah. I think 3 assignments, only 3 assignments, right? Wait, girls, I'll check in the group. That day I sent no some conditional formatting, number formatting, pivot table, that file I sent, no, that one. In that only everything will cover, chart, everything will be going to cover. Yeah, smart hard, people graph. Girls, again, I'm sending that file. See, girls, I have sent in the group also conditional formatting, number formatting, pivot table, smart art, people graph. This is what your assignment, not the formulas. Totally 5 assignments. 5 assignments, girls. This only 5 assignments. Understood, right, girls?
Ma'am,
yes,
what about
ma'am.
the graphs which are there in pivot table?
You had to do that, all the sheets you had to do. All sheets you have to do
Okay,
it, ma,
ma'am.
because the concepts are covered. No, I completed all concepts. You should do it. No doubts, no? It's clear, right? Your
Yes,
assignments.
ma'am.
Hmm. See, girls, if the decimals more than 5, greater than 5, if it is there, one value will be going to add up. Okay, greater than 5 value, if it is there, then the value will be going to add up 1. Okay, one value will be going to add up. See, I'll show you how to do this normal rounding. Equals round, function name is round. See, girls don't want to type, ma. So what you have to do means you have to press the tab key. Press the tab key, and then you should select the value first. 10.25 is there, no, that is value. Select comma, and then select this digits. Values comma digit A3 comma B3 means value comma digit 10.25 comma 0. Enter, you press. See the result, it is round off to the 10. Just what you have to do, come to the corner and then drag it for the remaining cell. See the second value, girls, what it is showing here, 10.5. I told you, no, if it is greater than 55, if it is there, it will be going to round off to the 11. 75 paise, 10 rupees 75 paise, it will round off to the 11. Okay, sorry. So last but second one, you see, the last but second one. See, girls, here 10.678. Okay, so how many digits I should be round off? First digit. First digits I should be round off. Okay, 10.6. So which is the first digits in here? 6 is the first digit. Actually 6 is more than 5. More than 5, no, 6 plus 1 is how much, girls? 7. So 10.7 is the answer. See the last one. Here the digit it is mentioned 2. Second digit it has to round off. Okay, so which is a second digit? 7. After 8 is there, no, that one. 8, 7 is there, no, the 7. 7 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Greater than 5. Okay, 7 plus 1 is how much? 8. That's why the second digit it is round off to the 8. 10.88. Understood, girls, this one?
Ma'am, can you show the formula? Because when I did it, it's not coming.
Hmm. Equals round, tab key you press, select the value, comma, digit. This one. Don't close the bracket, ma. If you enter, it will take automatically. To get the
Okay, ma'am.
results, you have to press enter. See, press enter, you will get results. And then select the first value, come to the corner and then drag like this. You have to drag it. So understood now why it is first digit it is 6, instead of 6 it is showing 7 here. And then why the second digit it is showing instead of 7, 8 it is showing. Now you understood? Greater than 5. Greater than 5, if it is there, it will be going to add up one value. Understood now, girls? I am going for
Yes,
the next.
ma'am.
The next one is round up. Okay, see what will happen here. 99.74 is there. Actually, if I do this value in the normal rounding, it will come 100. It will show you 100. But here I am doing round up. And then even this also, if I do this one in the normal rounding, 16.11 paise, then in the normal rounding, it will show you 16 rupees. Okay. But if I do in the round up, then it will be going to show it as your 17. Okay. See, I'll do equals, the function name is roundup. Select it. Tab key you press. Select the value, comma. To select the next value, this one, enter. Value, comma, digit, enter, girls. See, 100. It is round off to the 100. But what about the second one? It is less than 50. 16.11 paise, it is less than 50. But what will happen? See, I'll drag. It is showing you 17 because which formula we are using? Up. Up means it will increase. If it is down also, less than 5 also, less than 50 also, it will be going to increase. See. So the now value is 17. 88.27 paise. So it is showing 89. This round up function is the no. If it is less than 50 also, then it will be going to increase. Okay. The next one, ma, round down. 99.74 paise. In the normal rounding, if I do, it will becomes 100. But here, what it will be going to happen, it will be going to show you 99. See, equals round down. Select the formula. Tab key you press. Select the value, comma, digit. Enter you press, girls. See, it is showing only 99. Down, round down is the no. That formula will be going to decrease the value. It will not come 100. It will show you 99 only. If it is greater than 50 also, see, then also it will be going to show you the digit will be going to down. Round down, round up, normal rounding, understood? In the round down, it will decrease. Round up, it will increase. In the normal rounding, depends on the digit. If it is greater than 5, then it will add up. Otherwise, it will not add up. Understood now, girls? Normal, up, down. Up means it will increase. Down, it will decrease. The next function, formula, text function. Which function, girls? This table. Text function, ma. See, I'll show you how to calculate this one. Uppercase, lowercase, proper case. Uppercase means all the letters will be going to convert as capital letters. See, equals upper, tab key you press. See, it is asking in the bracket ma text. I need to select the text here. So the text, it is in right side or the left side, where it is there. Left side, select this one. Delhi is the no, that one. Select enter. Now keep the cursor on Delhi, come to the corner and then drag. See, everything it is in capital letter only. All the place names are it is in capital letter. The next column, lowercase. It is in uppercase. That uppercase I should convert to the lowercase, means for the small letter. How to convert to the small letter? Equals lower, function name is lower, tab key you press. Select, don't select this one. Already it is in small letter, so no, don't want to select ma. So I am going to select this one. The capital letter Delhi is there. No, you select only first one. Don't select entire thing. Only first cell you should select Delhi. Enter you press. See, the cap letter it is converted to small letter. Everything is it is in small only. The proper. Let's see what will happen in the proper. PROP. Tab key you press. See, of the text we need to select here whichever you want. You can select, no problem. I can select this also, and this also. I'm going to select this one only. Enter you press. So just you drag it, girls. See, the cap letter is what? Oh, sorry, the starting letter is what? Cap letter. What is the starting letter? What you have? Cap letter. After the space also it will be begins with capital letter. This is what? Proper case. Starting letter, capital letter. These are small. This is all are big. Okay. Understood? I'm going for the next formula.
Yes, ma'am.
The next function, Roman numbers, Roman letters. How to convert for the Roman letters? Equals Roman. Instead of typing, press the tab key. What it is asking, girls? See the formula format marked down here. Number. Where it is the number? Right side or the left side? It is on left side. Select here. Press enter. Just you have to drag it. See, girls, everything it is in Roman letter. The number is converted to the Roman letters. This is what Roman numbers letters. Okay. Come to the next formula, marks of Vimala. Okay. Here, what I want to do means I want to find out the average of all subject of Vimala. One student Vimala of all subjects, 6 subjects. So equals, already you know people. So sum function, product function, average I taught in the conditional formatting, that all the things you know already. So how to find out, any one of you tell me how to calculate this? I taught you know already average function. Any one of you answer to my question, ma? How to calculate the average, yeah?
Ma'am, we have to write equals to average and select the
Equals
numbers that we want to.
average. Select this one. What should I want to press, ma, to take the entire formula?
Sorry, ma'am, I didn't get your question.
Here, to take the entire formula, what should I want to press instead of typing?
Tab.
Yeah, good. From where to where I should select now?
Ma'am,
From where to
from
where?
B21 to 26.
Good. From English language to max subject. Okay. So select from 85 to 63. B21 is to B26. Press enter. See the average 58.5 is the results. Okay. The next one, maximum, highest marks. So here in the 6 subject, I should be find out highest marks. Vimala scored highest marks in English. 85 is the highest marks. So from maximum, I can find out that equals max max. Tab Q press max 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 maximum. Okay, 85 to 63 you select. Press enter. See, 85 is the highest marks, highest value. The same thing I should be find out for minimum lowest marks. So which is the lowest marks actually here? 25 in Hindi. So minimum MIN you press. Tab Q press. From where to where I should select? 85 to 63. Just enter, girls. See the results. What is the results? 25 is the answer results. The next one, square root, girls. So now you'll take the break or later you'll take the break.
Ma'am, now.
Now you want? Okay, take the break and then I'll continue later.
This conference will now be recorded.
The next topic is square root. How to find out the square root in the Excel. So here, girls, keep the cursor here, ma. Equals SQ. You press. Okay. Tab key you press. See what it is asking in the format, girls. See the formula in here. Number. Where is the number? Right side or the left side? Left side. 25 is there, no? That one. You select it, enter, you press. So square root of 25 is what? What is the answer? 5. Just you select the 5 and then you have to drag it. So you have to do like this. Okay. Square root done. Next one. Trunk function. What is the trunk function will do? See, I'll show you first how to calculate. Equals trunk function, trunk, select the formula, press the tab key, and then girls see the format ma here what it is there. First number, after selecting the number, comma, and then you should select digit. Okay, number, comma, digit, enter, you press, just to drag. So what all the digits we have specified, how many digits we have specified, that number of digit will display in the results. See girls here, number of digit here it is mentioned only 1. That's why here digit, how many digits are showing? 1, 23.5. Here nothing is there, 0 it is mentioned. So here it is showing only 23, no digit only. And then here 3 digit it is mentioned. So that's why it is showing you 3 digits. 4 digits, that's why it's showing you 4 digits. Okay. Specified digits can be displayed from the trunk function in Excel. Okay. The next one, mod function. Okay. So how to use the mod function? So while doing the division, remainder value will remains no, that value it will be going to find out. So while doing the division, remainder value is there, no girls? That value we can find out from mod function. Equals mod, mod, press the tab key. See ma here, the number I should select, yeah, select the number, comma, and then divisor. 25 divide, sorry, 2 divided by 25. From 2 I should divide it the 25. So remainder value will be how much? 1. Okay, remainder value is 1. Just you have to drag it for everything. See, the next one, come to this one, absolute function, trunk function which will display specified digits, mod function which will display remainder value while doing the division. Okay, square root, this is what value, minimum lowest marks, maximum highest marks. This will be going to find out the average. This upper will be going to convert to the capital letter, lower will converts to the small, proper will converts to the capital letter, starting will be caps, that is what proper. Okay, so next one I'll show you absolute function how to do this. Equals -3 -4, minus into minus how much? Plus, no, 7 is the answer girls, -7. So which value is the greater? 3 value is greater or 4 value is greater? 4 value is greater. For the 4, which symbol is there? Minus is there. So -3 -4 is how much? -7. Greater value is 4, -7 is the answer. The next one, equals 6 plus 3, 9, equals -5 into 6. 5 into 6 how much? 30. -30 is the answer. Equals 4 divided by -2. Press enter, you will get results. 2 -2 is the results. This is what in regular generally we had to do like this. Okay, the same value I'll be going to use with the formula. This is without formula I used. With the formula I'm using now, equals ABS. ABS means absolute ma. Press the tab key. Yeah. So here the same value you have to give it here, -3 -4 you have to give, then the results will be 7. Okay, equals ABS 6 plus 3, what is the answer? 9. Again equals ABS, tab key you press, -5 into 6 you give, enter, 30. The next one, the last one, equals ABS 4 divided by -2, the 2. Here it will be going to display only the absolute value, not the sign, the symbol. The symbol will not display in the absolute function. Your answer is absolute only. Your answer is absolute perfect answer. But here it will be not display the sign. Okay, see here in the regular method it is showing sign -7, -30, -2 like that. But in this, in the absolute method, if I do like this, then the sign will be not display, but your answer is absolutely correct. Got it? Understood, girls? I'm moving to the next one. Any doubts you have? No doubts? So the next one is replace and substitute. Here some ID number is there, PAN number or exam registration number, Aadhaar number, account number, like that. I have that number. What I want to do, I want to replace with some other number. Actually, what is the ID number here? Here one ID number is there, MEMA 6290BJ. Okay, instead of 6290, I should be replaced with 4545. How to do that? See, I'll show you. Instead of 6290, I should be replaced with new value 4545. Okay, so equals replace, press the tab key. Yeah, you had to follow this text, sorry, this format, you had to follow the format. What it is asking first, old text. Old text means this one, the ID number, that one, comma you do, comma you put. What about the next one? Starting number, start number. Yeah, the from where you want to replace. See, 6, it is in which position? Sixth letter, sixth number, sorry, sixth number, it is in which position? You should count from beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, it is in fifth position. It is in which position? 6 value, fifth position. You have to give the starting value 5, comma. How many digits you want to replace? 62904 digit number is there. How many digits you need to replace? For me also 4 digits only. 4545, 4 digits. New digits I should be replaced 4. How many number of character value if you want to replace, that much of digit you should mention here, comma. The new text. So the new text should be in the double quotes. 4545 is the new text. You can try it out, girls. Try this one. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I'll be going to explain it once again. Do this one formula in your system.
Can you repeat it once?
Yeah, I'll repeat. Just a minute. Equals, replace, tab key, press the tab key to take the formula. Yeah, so you have to observe this format. Whatever the format it is given, we have to follow that. First it is asking old text. Okay, old text is ID number, this one. Select this, comma. Next one, start number, starting number. 6, it will start from which position? 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is, it is in fifth position, in the fifth place. So I have to give 5, comma. Next one, number of character. How many number of character or value you want to replace? Instead of 6290, here also 4 digit is there number. Instead of that, new number, what do you want? How many digits are there? Same only 4. 4 digits I want to replace, comma. The last one is new text. The new text you have to give it in double quotes. What is the new text I am replacing? 4545. So now you understood. Shall I press enter? Then it will show you the results.
Yes.
Hmm. See now the results. What happened for the results for the ID number? Is it same? This number and that number is same. Is it similar? It is showing still also old number only. Still you are observing old only, or it is in new number now. ID.
New number, ma'am.
New number. MEMA 6290. It is not there. See, observe properly. 4545 BJ. Remaining are same. Only values are replaced. Okay. Next one is substitute. So let's see what will happen in the substitute. And then girls, to edit the formula shortcut key. So now if you want to make any changes to edit, you need to press F2 functional key. What is the shortcut key to edit the formula function? F2. Please remember, F2 is the shortcut key to edit or to make any changes in the formula. The next one, substitute. Equals substitute. Instead of typing, what I want to do to take the formula, entire formula, tab key, press the tab key here. See the formula it has taken. See the format down, what it is showing? Text, old text, new text. The text means this one, the ID number, comma you put, old text. See double quotes, in the double quotes I am giving. Girls, actually what I want to do means MA is there, MEMA is there. Instead of MA, I should interchange to AM. I want to make it as AM. Here MA is there, I should interchanging, I'm substituting. MA I don't want, AM I want, MEAM I want. Okay, so old text, what is there? MA, close the double quotes, comma, open the double quotes, AM, close the double quotes, bracket. Instead of MA, I'm going to substitute with AM. I'm not bringing and replacing any new value. I'm interchanging, that's it. Okay, just you press enter. See now the results, what happened for the results. See your ID number now. See that old ID, and then for the new ID, what it has happened? MEMA only it is there, or MEAM only it is there? MEAM only it is there, or new number MEAM is there, girls? See, it is interchanged. Okay, AM is there. Again, if you, if in case if you want to edit anything in the formula, press F2. Okay, the next one, very important function. So this one, many times it is asked in the exams, girls. Today now functions are very important, ma. Equals today. So press the tab key, close the bracket. So what the formula we need to type? Equals today, open bracket, close bracket, press enter. It will be going to display only the current date. Today date is September 14th. It is showing you only the date. Okay, current date. I want to display date as well as time, then I should use the formula now function. Which function? Now function. Equals now, open bracket, close bracket, enter. So date as well as the time, date as well as time, both the things are showing here. Okay, so now the time is 7 o'clock 33 minutes. Today date is for 9th of September of 14th. Today will display only the date. Now function will display date as well as time. The next function is database function. Just a minute, girls, I'll be back. 2 minutes. So the next function is what? Database function. See girls, I'll explain how to do this one. Some items are sold. We have sold what all the items: keyboard, mouse, VGA cable, touchpad, joysticks, mouse. These all the things are computer parts. Okay. So these are the parts we have sold. This much of sales we have made. And then we have the criteria. Criteria means condition. So what is the condition here? I should be find out wherever keyboard is there greater than 50, I should be find out. Okay. Actually here greater than 50 keyboard, it is sold or not? Keyboard 25. This is less than 50. This is 2. Wait, I'll change the data. Instead of joystick, I'll take keyboard only. Yeah, 25 is there. I'll make it 52. And then this one I'll be going to make it 62. So, and then I'll be going to highlight, okay, with the color. So wherever less is there, that one I'll be going to highlight with a red color. The 2 is less than 50, okay. 52 is greater than 50. So wherever greater than 50 value is there, girls, in this data, in the selected data, 2 values are there. One keyboard is 52, another keyboard is 62. One keyboard is less than 50, okay. This is what my condition criteria. So here, wherever greater than 50 keyboards we have sold, that much we need to add. Okay. So equals D sum. Sum means already you know. Sum means add, addition. Okay, na? What all the things we need to select? Database, ma. So we had to select this data first. The data we have selected, comma you put. See here it is showing what is the next one? Field. Which is the field actually in this table? Sales. Sales is what? Field. Select this, comma, and then criteria. Where is the criteria? This is what the criteria. Okay. The criteria we need to select. This was criteria. Then enter you press. See, 114 is what? Total value. See, now I'll show you here how the 114 it's come for you. Equals I done, no? 52, see, greater than 50. 52 plus 62. 52 plus 62 is how much? 114. It is added, okay. Wherever 50 greater than 50 is there, that values are added. Next one, the product we need to find out. Product means multiplication. 52 into 62 is how much? See, just calculate in simple way. 52 into 62. See, what is the answer? 3224. So I need to calculate, girls, equals D product. Instead of typing, press the tab key. You need to select the database. This is what database. Comma you put. Sales you select. Field is what? Sales, comma. Criteria. Criteria you what? Criteria is what, girls? Condition. Select it, enter. See the answer. So how the thing it's calculated? Product means already you people you know it is a multiplication. Wherever the greater than 50 of keyboard, okay, greater than 50 of keyboard, wherever it is there, those values are calculated, multiplied. The next one, the counter. So now here I want to count greater than 50. How many are there? Just count it. Greater than 50, how many are there, girls? 2. 2 or 3 or 4. How much it is there, girls? Answer, ma. No interaction, nothing. If you talk, then only it will be good. It will be interesting in the class. If I ask any question, you should respond. Sometimes you'll talk, sometimes you people will quiet. Hmm? Seagulls equals D counter. Select the formula ma, press the tab key. The database we need to select this database, comma, the field you select, click on the sales, comma, and then criteria. Then enter. How many are there greater than 50? Only 2. In case if I change the value here, automatically in the results also it will be going to update. See for example, keyword here 2 is there, that is less than 50. So here I am going to make it to 75. See if I give the value 75, now keyboard or how many are there greater than 50? 3. 1, 2, 3. See here, D counter how many are there? 3 is there. Total count is 3. Okay. Let it be 2 only. Now you see the results, it has changed again. If you make any changes in the data, that will be updated in the formula also, it will be reflected in the results also. Okay, understood? D sum, D product, D counter. Sum will add, product will multiply, counter will count. The next one, trim function. What is the use of
Ma'am,
trim?
ma'am, if a D counter is going to count, then what is D count function going to do?
D counter count, I'll come, that one also it is there, I'll explain you later. Counter,
Okay, ma'am.
count blank, that a formula is there, that time I'll explain. Tomorrow I'll explain, the topic will continue in the tomorrow class. Okay, so next function is trim function. So trim, have you heard of this name trim? Yeah, see now what will happen. Trim, 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 press the tab key. Seagulls in the bracket, see the format here, what in the format, in the formula format, in the bracket what it is there, text is there. So where is the text? It is in right side or the left side? It is on left side, so you need to select the text and then enter. Just you had to place the cursor on an Excel and then drag it. Have you observed for this one and this one what is the use of the trim function?
Ma'am, it
Previous
has
one,
removed the indentation.
the space. Here the extra space are there. Have you observed the spaces are there? Extra spaces are there. Wherever extra space are there, that is removed by the trim function. Got it, girls? What the trim function will do? It will be going to remove the spaces. The next one, I'll be going to explain you search to find both are same only. See in this text, computer, hard disk, pen drive, mouse, scanner. In this text, I should be find out the letter in it is in which position. The R it is in which position in the computer, in the hard disk R it is in which position. I don't know. If I apply the formula, then only I'll be coming to know. Equals search tab key. Girls, you see the format and then follow. Find text. Yeah, which text I should be find? That one you put it in the double quotes. Open the double quotes. Capital letter R you give. Small R if let's see after that. You capital letter R only you give. Give the capital letter R. Okay. Close the double quotes, comma. After that, sorry, some function wrong. It is there. Search. Tab key. Find the text, give it in the double quotes, capital letter R, comma, then computer you select. Within the text, see within the text means this computer. Within the text R it is in which position? Enter you press eighth position. Eighth position. So you can count here, girls. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is in eighth position. Just you drag it, ma. Drag it. Why it is showing here the value it is like this? Last but second one, why the result
Because
is not
there's no
showing?
R.
Yeah, the R letter is not there in the mouse. Okay, and then I should verify with small letter. Girls, if I everything in the text it is capital letter only, but while typing, while giving the formula, if I give small letter also, it will work or it won't work. Let's see. Press F2 to edit the formula. F2, instead of capital letter R, I am giving small letter R. Let's see now the results will come or not. Enter. If you give small also, caps also, it will work. It is not a case sensitive. The formula is not a case sensitive. Got it? You can give in small also, you can give in caps also. So no problem in that. It will take. Okay, it will take and it will calculate. The next function is dated if. Okay, what is the dated if? If is what condition? So to what is the dated if function will do? To count the number of days, months, year between 2 days. Between 2 days, it will be going to count how many months are completed, how many days, how many years are completed. Those things we can find out good. See, for example, I'll be going to give my birthday date. Okay, my birthday date I'll give, and then today date I'll give. Then I can find out my age, total month completed, total number of days completed. That all the things I can find out. So I should give the date here. To give the date, I should be follow the system format. In my laptop, the system format, what is that? 14.9 to sorry, 2022. 14 means, what is 14? Date. Okay. So my date is 21st girls, 21st March slash 1992. This is my birthday date. And then today date I want to give. See, instead of typing today date, instead of 14 September, instead of giving that, so easy formula I can use. Today function, no, already I taught that one you give equals today open bracket, close bracket. Then it will show you today's date. Between these dates, I want to find out my age, total number of years completed. Okay, so equals dated if open the bracket, girls. Here the format is not will not display. We had to do this manually. Select the starting date, birthday date, comma, today date you select, comma. In the double quotes, y you give, y letter you give. Y means year. If I enter, then my age will be coming to know. My age is now 30 years for me. Okay. Then same thing I should be find out for the month, how many number of months are completed. Okay. Equals dated if open the bracket, start date you select means birthday date, comma, and then today date, comma, double quotes, m means month. Okay, close the double quotes, close the bracket. 365 365 months completed now for me. Okay, so the next one equals open the bracket, start date, comma, end date, sorry, select it properly, comma, end date, comma, double quotes, d. Yeah, how many days for me it's completed? 11,134 days completed for me. That much of days. I am here. Okay. So it is showing like this. Now, girls, in my teaching experience, I should be find out the experience in my job. So I'm changing this date. Okay. Uh, 3/2/2016 I'll give. Assume. So here February of 3rd February 2016. So this is the end date for me. So what is the total experience in my job in the teaching job? 6 years completed. So how many months completed? 79 months completed. How many days it's completed? 2415. 2415 dates completed. Days are completed, girls. Understood? No, even age, work experience also we can find out from the dated if formula. This logical function, it is very lengthy. This topic I'll be going to explain the tomorrow class. The small functions I'll be going to explain now. It will take more time to explain this. Average if I'll show you how to do this. Logical functions are very important, girls. The topic I'll be going to explain the tomorrow session. Okay. So now let us discuss with average if. Already you people, you know what is average. Already you know how to find out. But here we are not only find outing average. Along with average, we had to find out average if. Okay, see how to do that. If is what? Condition, girls. Here I'll put condition. According to my condition, it will be going to collect the average. The third one, press the tab key. The range we need to select from where to where we have to select, from 25 to 63 we have to select, comma you put. The criteria it is asking. The criteria is what? Greater than 50. Greater than 50. Whoever got greater than 50, John, James, Smith, Edward. So whoever got greater than 50, only those marks will be considering in the average, girls. Everyone got greater than 50 only? No. John 25, James 51, 50, 75, 22, 51, 63, like that it is there. Okay. So Hank 22 he got, and then John also 25 he got. The remaining persons got greater than 50. Okay, girls, you press enter, ma. So, okay, something I left here. I forgot to give the double quotes, girls. The condition has to be right always in the double quotes. See, condition has to be right always in double quotes. Give the double quotes, then enter it. The results is 60. See, now I'll be going to change the value. 12 if I do. And keep on changing the value. Yeah. So now the average is what? 65.66 something. Okay. So whoever got greater than 50, the second value greater than 50, then Hank, James, Hank, and then Vinod. Only 3 students got greater than 50. Remaining students are less than 50. I'll show you this formula. I'll press F2. See, it will display. See, I need to select the subject, comma. The condition has to be written in double quotes, greater than 50. The condition is what? Greater than 50. If I give greater than 50, wherever greater than 50 is there, only those results are calculated. Those marks are calculated. Okay. Girls, is there any doubts in the today's session, ma? The today's class?
Ma'am, can you please show this again?
This average, huh?
Ma'am, average.
C equal average. Tab key you press. Girls, see ma here the format you see and do it. The range it is asking from where to where I should select, from 25 to 32. Comma you give double quotes. Okay na? Greater than. The criteria always you should be written in double quotes only, greater than 50. Close the double quotes bracket. So what is my condition I am putting here? What I am putting here, the condition?
Greater than 50.
Yeah, on criteria basis, the results will be going to calculate. Okay. The criteria basis, the results will calculate, girls. So enter you press, the results is 65.66 something will come. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Is there any doubts, girls? If you have any doubts, you can discuss with me. So don't leave the class. I'm taking the attendance. By the next week, you people will be going to finish off Excel, girls. Okay. By the next week, your classes will be going to complete. No doubts, girls. Today's class, in the today's class. I hope you understood the today's class then. So in the tomorrow session, I should be cover off that logical function, and then I should be start with the repeat function. Okay, still it is the formulas are there. Okay, girls, I'm leaving this meeting, ma. I'm ending this session. Tomorrow we can continue the class. Bye, girls.
Okay,
Take
ma'am.
care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, ma. Bye, girls. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.